The main body of the unique B95 making its world debut in Monterey is finished in metallic bronzo superga, providing a dramatic contrast to the distinctive giallo arnice gloss section at the front and atop the driver's dome, itself featuring black gloss 95 lettering. Extensive use of black exposed signature carbon delivers a technical 3D sculptural effect that contrasts from the elegant paintwork of the body. This same detailing of contrast can also be viewed around the carbon fiber splitter at the front and around the rear aero outlet. The body finish is a flawless, multi-layered gloss, emphasizing B95's elegant silhouette. It combines gold metallic flakes to give it an incredible depth of color. In the daytime, the accents appear gold in texture and color, while at night it takes on a bronze hue, giving the impression of two different colors depending on the time of day. To complete the exterior, B95 has new 20-inch front/21 rear forged aluminium wheels finished in matte black and contrasting with exposed aluminium matte precision polished outers. The center lock rings are finished in brushed aluminium anodized in black, while the brake calipers are giallo arnice, matching the exterior accents. The interior is the epitome of a classic race car meeting futuristic design, with a concept car-inspired dashboard and cabin environment that leaves occupants feeling safe and cassette. From the driver's seat, the expansive dashboard appears to merge with the exterior, extending the distinctive lines of the hood into the cabin, as seen on the PURA Vision design concept. Together with the sculptural carbon fiber dashboard, a floating wing effect is created. The dashboard is upholstered in tan sustainable luxury leather with bespoke embossing, which contrasts with the brushed black aluminium anodized finish that features elsewhere. The seats, also finished in the tan sustainable luxury leather, are inspired by those of a classic race car, designed to curve around the occupant. Both seats have been profiled to cosset the driver and passenger, ensuring comfort and protection, with a two-part design inspired by the seats found in PURA Vision, with unique aluminium inserts. The headrests, featuring electro-welded Pininfarina logos, are finished in a pied-de-poule houndstooth luxury textile while black and tan contrast stitching continues across the seats, door interiors and dash. There are unlimited bespoke opportunities for collectors specifying B95, ensuring each one of the 10 examples will be unique. One of the most noticeable bespoke opportunities is the laser-engraved aluminium door plate, located on the outer edges of both doors and easily visible when entering and exiting the car. Finished in anodized black with bespoke B95 engraving in white, they add a sense of theater to entering the HYPER BARCHetta. The B95 is powered by the same state-of-the-art powertrain that delivers breathtaking performance in the Battista Hyper GT, but with a unique tune for such a unique vehicle. Accelerating from 0 to 60 miles per hour in less than 2 seconds, B95 has a top speed of more than 300 kilometers per hour. The world's first pure electric HYPER BARCHetta features a high-capacity 120 kWh lithium-ion battery generating peak power of 1,400 kilowatts, 1,900 PS. The T-shaped battery pack, which is liquid-cooled, is protected within a strong and lightweight carbon fiber housing and can be charged using DC fast chargers up to 270 kilowatts, for a 20 to 80% top-up in as little as 25 minutes. This power is delivered to the road via 4 independent high-performance electric motors, one driving each wheel. 5 distinct drive modes leverage full torque vectoring technology to enable the driver to tailor power delivery and handling to suit their preference and driving conditions. There is a choice of 5 driving modes to tailor the driving dynamics: Calma, Pura, Energica, Furiosa and Carrettiere, which are activated via a tactile, sporty rotary selector, located next to the steering wheel. The B95 has been developed using decades of experience and expertise by Automobili Pininfarina's in-house family of engineering and manufacturing experts in Italy. It was conceived, designed and developed in Italy and features advanced technologies pioneered at Automobili Pininfarina's Digital Innovation Hub in Germany. That's all for this video. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.